I'm proud of you, Morty.
Hey man, I don't give a crap about myself, Rick. Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo.
I'm Ants in My Eyes Johnson here at Ants in My Eyes Johnson's Electronics. I mean, there's so many ants in my eyes.
And there's so many TVs, microwaves, radios. I'm not 100% sure what we have here in stock because I can't see anything. Our prices, I hope, aren't too low. Check out this refrigerator, only $200. What about this microwave? Only $100. That's fair. I'm Ants in My Eyes Johnson. Everything's black. I can't see a thing. And also, I can't feel anything either. Did I mention that? But that's not as catchy as having ants in your eyes, so that always goes, off by the wayside. I can't feel. It's a very rare disease. All my nerves, they don't allow for the sensation of touch.
So I never know what's going on. Am I standing, sitting? I don't know.